Now see this problem. Find the focal length of the lens. So assume that both are same radius of curvatures. R1, R2 same equal radius of curvatures. Tell me in this case, R1 is how much?
Plus 20.
Yes, so that is plus 20 centimeters. And R2,
Minus 20.
yes, minus 20. Right. Now, tell me now here focal length 1 by f, which is equal to refractive index of lens by refractive index of medium minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2.
20 centimeters.
Yes, so which will come to be a, here this is 3 by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. So we'll come it as 1 by f is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 20. So that is f is equal to 20 centimeters.